Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. So today I'm gonna make Callan a vegetable chicken wing soup, if you will. I'm gonna throw in a bunch of veggies. He loves chicken wings. I'm gonna use my Pioneer Woman pot. Love Pioneer. I have in this cupboard here, bowls, plates, mugs. I mean, yeah, I have even her Dutch oven. So I'm not sponsored. Maybe one day, but I love her stuff. So anyway, I got the chicken wings thawing. They should be done actually. So let's get to the soup. I'll show you guys step by step how I do it. All right, let's grab all the goodies. Turn that off. Potatoes. I took out the chicken wings. They're nice and thawed and still kind of, Let me grab my carrot. I think I'm only gonna do one carrot. Yeah. Green beans. Some other stuff here. Okay. So Callan loves potatoes. I'm gonna definitely make it full of potatoes. I'm gonna do maybe 4 potatoes. I got 2 large and 2 mediums. I'm gonna wash them, peel them, get this out of the way. I forgot to get my onion. Oh, and this is my last one. All right, I need my knife. Alrighty. I think, yeah, I'll do half. Alrighty, let me turn it on. I was gonna say turn it up. All right, I got my rendered bacon fat. This is what, like 6 teaspoons? I literally just eyeball every time I make soup. Now the loaded potato soup is on a recipe, which, there he is. Honey, you liked the loaded potato soup, right?
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
I'm gonna show them how to make your soup today. What are you having? Oh, you know what he just grabbed? The Thieves cough drops. These are amazing. We go through a lot of these. All right, got that heating up. Let's chop up the onion. You guys, I ran out of Thieves essential oil because my husband was sick and we were diffusing non-stop. So I don't have any more Thieves to help me with these onion tears. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway. Already smells so good. Let's get to actually the carrots. I have 1 carrot here. Actually cut them in smaller sizes. On to the potatoes. All right, so at this time, I'm gonna put it at a medium low. I'm going to salt, or season. I have my Celtic salt, like always. A nice heaping handful. And I'm seasoning as I go, so season with salt first, as much as you think, and then we taste test later, add more if needed. You can always add more, but you can never take out, so. Okay, so I already kind of washed these because I need to go through them. Some of them were good for use, and then some of them not really. What I'm gonna do is I have to cut these little edges. They still have like feathers. Hold on, where's my scissors? All right, let's clean up this bird. I do not like feathers in my soup. So I got these chicken wings at Fry's. It's the whole chicken wing. So I just have to basically prepare it. All right, so the reason why I cut it right here, hold on, there we go, is because I pull it apart, see? And now you just cut right there. And this chicken is done. So now it's time to add the water. Make sure you guys are scraping the bottom. All of that flavor is amazing. I'm going to season my chicken with a tiny bit of salt. And I have a seasoning. It's called rotisserie chicken. So I like to season the chicken, let it sit. So actually I gotta turn up the heat on high. Let the water come to a boil, and while it's boiling, this chicken's gonna sit with the seasoning on it, marinate a little bit. Oh, it's gonna be so good. One thing I forgot to put is bay leaves. Oh, hold on. I like to keep it in a dark, cold place. I'm gonna put 2 bay leaves in the soup. This just enhances the flavor. You can also get this at Fry's. Okay. All right, so it came to a boil. You always want it to come to a boil. When you're putting in your chicken, the temperature of the chicken is going to change the temperature of the soup. Lower it to a medium high, and then now let it go. So another thing that you can do with this soup is add bacon, but my husband didn't want bacon this time. His stomach is still kind of sensitive, so he didn't want it to feel too heavy. So today it is just chicken wings, but I'm telling you, if you guys add the bacon, the flavor is just enhanced. Who doesn't like bacon? So we're gonna leave this a good, I'm gonna say hour, stirring occasionally, make sure nothing gets stuck on the bottom, but leave it. You can put a lid if you want. I did put it on a medium. Okay, I'll check back in a few minutes to give it a stir. Time to give it a taste. This is what I usually do. I don't use a spoon. Use one of these. Good. Needs more salt. thing actually. Alrighty. And maybe salt, maybe a little bit more paprika. Plus it gives it that nice little color. And pepper? Yeah, I'll do a little bit more pepper. So, never, ever, ever taste your broth when you... I just realized that was super loud. I'm so sorry, you guys. As I was saying, never taste the broth. Not even like 5 minutes after you put the chicken. The chicken is raw, and you need the chicken to kind of marry with the water, with the seasonings. Let it cook through. As soon as it starts cooking through, that's when all of the flavor is going to pull out into the into the liquid. So let us give it one more taste. And then after, I'm going to pull out the parsley. I'm going to have fresh parsley. I'm going to add to this. That did the trick. That did it. Okay, time to add the parsley. Here's a trick if you guys want to keep your parsley fresh longer. I have in the fridge a small little cup, and you just fill it with water. As you can see, it's low. Fill it up all the way, and your parsley lasts longer. So let me grab a few. All right, what I'm gonna do is grab everything in my hand and run it through the water. And then also what I did is I squeezed it as much as I can. That also releases a lot of the flavor from the parsley. So, time to just chop it up. Hi, honey. Okay, so I let the soup go. I actually turned it off, so right now I'm gonna add the last touch, which is sour cream. And this is a little trick I like to do. I'm gonna take a big heap of the sour cream and then the juice. Doesn't matter if there's vegetables in here. Mix everything in here. My husband loves sour cream. Now this is optional, you guys. If you don't want sour cream, that's fine. But like I said, my husband loves it. He's gonna put it in anyway, and this soup is for him, so might as well. All right, let's make a bowl for Callan. Oh, and here's the bay leaf. All right, and that is how easy it is to make this soup. I'm gonna give it to my husband. Now again, you can, okay, like I was saying, you can put the sour cream or not. If you see it like chunky on top, the sour cream, I didn't mix it well. And plus, when you get that spoon, you know, full of that flavor. I don't think you're gonna mind it. It's just full of goodness. All right, so time to give my husband the soup. But till next time, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.